Hello mga kapalabandera! Happy weekend po sa inyo! And again, isa na naman po tayong very interesting topic this weekend. At this time, meron tayong guest fresh from Dubai. Grabe, mga precious. Please welcome Mama Oski. Mama Oski talaga!
Hello sa mga ating mga viewers at mga followers ni Palabandera.
Correct. Mama, nakapanood ka na ba ng mga episodes?
Of course, yes.
Ano yung favorite? Or sino yung favorite mo?
Yung may pa-abs.
Grabe! Grabe siya! Anyway, so yung topic po ni Palabandera is about finances, di ba? Parang, and there's no other person to explain this but Oski. That's why I invited him actually po this weekend. So it's all about getting insurance, and the second part of it po is about being an insurance advisor.
Yes.
Diba? So, Oski question, sorry kasi katawag yung Mama Oski. Diba? So yung first question ko talaga is, ano ba yung mga common stigma about getting an insurance?
Okay. So insurance kasi, feeling natin, hindi mo siya kailangan. Kasi nag-work ka naman, ganyan.
Correct.
Or feeling mo kailangan mo lang siya pag mamatay ka na. So, walang sense na kumuha.
Correct.
Parang gano'n. At the same time, sa Philippines, nakakalungkot na before kasi may mga pre-need plans na nagsara. And
ano yung mga pre-need? Like
for
yung mga
example,
cap.
So, they associate that with insurance companies. So, feeling nila malulugi, magsasara, ay hindi sila makakuha ng benefits.
Or hindi nila ma-claim or
Yes. So, yun yung nagiging challenge ngayon.
Correct. Kasi two things that I just want to highlight with what you said. First is because people think ito yun para sa mga ginagamit mo ng insurance pag something bad happens to you. Like namatay, nagkasakit, or something. And second nga is dahil long-term siya, hindi mo iniisip kung gaano ba to ka-stable in the future. Right? Pero question ko then for you is ano yung right age para kumuha ng insurance?
Actually, pag pinakabata yung best na na
like 2 years old?
Well, it's actually 7 days old.
7 days!
You can actually get an insurance sa mga bata. Pwede agad.
Guys, 7 days. Yung mga 7 days po na nanonood.
Parang itik lang. Pwede na i-insure.
7 days talaga.
Pwede yung pag yung pinakabata, yes.
Sige, doon naman tayo sa mga diwana or nag-work. Ano yung parang best time to
siguro pag nagka-work ka na.
Nagka-work ka na.
Yun yung best time to really start investing for yourself.
Okay.
In my case, I started when I was 23.
Oh, same tayo, diba?
Mga wais.
Mga wais. Pak! Hindi, actually kasi for me po, kasi breadwinner ako ng family ko. So, syempre, anything happens to me, paano na lang yung family, diba nga? So, kailangan talagang secured at saka safe sila. So,
correct.
Yes.
Sabi nga nila, yung life insurance, ano siya, love insurance.
Uy! Saan galing yung love?
Kasi parang diba, for example, should something happen to you, if you're taken out of the picture, yung pagmamahal mo will stay. Diba? It will outlive you. Yun yung purpose ng insurance.
Ay, alam mo, ang ganda nun.
Diba?
So, lahat ba ng mga minahal mo? In-insure?
Parang kahit malalo sila, happy pa din ako.
Oo nga, parang ganon.
Hindi naman. Para sa ano to, pang pamilya.
Pang pamilya, correct.
If you love your family, you should be insured. You should insure yourself.
Okay, very good. I think, and very clear. And like, parehas nga tayo insure, diba? Second question ko talaga sa'yo, Mama Oski, is, ano yung right insurance for a person? Kasi diba, marami kang kilala dyan, mga nag-aalok, nag-chat sa'yo, ganyan. Pero, how would you know if this is the right package for you? Kasi I assume it's unique per person.
So basically, for insurance product, it has to be goal-oriented.
Goal-oriented.
Yes. So dapat goal-specific siya. Say for example, meron tayong life stages eh. So for example, you're getting started. Yan tayo mga gano'n, yung mga nag-work pa lang.
Correct, mga very fresh, very mga young.
Eventually, you're moving up na you're building a family.
Yes.
Until eventually, nandun ka na sa preparing ahead for your retirement.
Okay.
Hanggang sa leaving a legacy. Pag sobrang yaman
legacy!
Kailangan syempre mapasa mo ng maayos yung wealth mo sa mga heirs mo, rightful heirs.
Correct. Kasi di ba yung mga property,
kapag
hindi mo siya in-insure, malaki din yung tax.
Yes.
That's it, right?
Yes. Estate planning naman yan. So yun yung mga different stages at mga different, mga considerations pa would be kung ano yung goal mo, ano yung capacity mo. Kasi meron ding mga insurance products and investments na depende sa budget mo.
Correct.
So week to week, we can make it very personalized.
Got it. So, I think yung another stigma is that there's a certain amount that you have to earn for you to get an insurance. That's a no-no, right? So you can actually get it for a small amount even.
Correct.
Okay.
Kasi people would think na mahal siya.
Correct.
Hindi siya affordable, pero mali yun.
Affordable po pala siya. Yung second na lang is, so one is that right insurance is based on your goals. Second is, ano yung mga key components that you have to check. Kasi syempre, when someone presents to you the plan, ano yung mga dapat mong, meron ba dyang pa-jowa or something? Meron ba dyang mga alam mo yun, pa-death, whatever, pa-disability. So, what are those things?
Well, basically, yung main component talaga ng insurance policy is the face amount or death benefit. Na should something happen to you, death benefit. Should something happen to you, that would be the amount na makuha ng pamilya mo.
Okay.
And then on top of that, may mga tinatawag tayo ng mga riders or supplementary benefits.
Riders,
oo.
Mga angkas, gano'n. So, ano yung mga dapat naka-angkas?
Yeah, so depende sa goals niyan. Pwede na rin siya lagyan ng total disability, accidental death and dismemberment and disablement, mga gano'n. Pag naputol ka ng parte ng katawan, nabulag, pwede may gano'n.
So, pwede ka nang makaklaim kahit hindi ka parang 100% patay.
Yeah, oo. Para kapag ang cause ng accident, meron siya additional benefit.
Okay.
Kapag naman na-disable ka, meron din siya additional benefit. Meron din for critical illness benefit. So, if medyo health-centric ang gusto mo, pwede ka maglagay ng mga ganong riders.
Critical illness includes cancer.
Yan, mga ganyan.
Okay,
major critical illnesses, covered yun.
Sige, syempre, so I understand. Syempre, kung ikaw yung pepresenta nito at the age of 23 years starting to work, may mga critical illness. Parang overwhelming. Parang, wait, teka lang, kakastart ko lang, mamatay ako agad.
Oo, gano'n.
Diba? Okay.
Pero mahalaga, it's always about preparing ahead.
Correct.
Kasi, tatlong bagay lang pwede mangyari sa atin.
Okay, ano yun?
Either we die too soon, we get sick, or if we live too long.
Ay, okay. So,
diba?
Choose your battle.
Pero whatever happens to you, ano man yung maging ending mo sa tatlong yun, kailangan mo ng pera. So, might as well prepare ahead. And while you are capable and young and healthy, invest. Yes, do it.
Invest. Okay. Yung last na lang is, we know na kung ano yung mga benefits and key components. But in the actual event talaga na may mangyari sa'yo, ano ba talaga yung mga benefits that you get from an insurance?
Well, basically, tawag doon ay claims.
Claims.
For example, you file for a death claims, family member dies,
ikaw yung nag-file, ikaw yung namatay.
Hindi naman. Ano yun?
Happy Halloween.
Yung advisor mo yun. So, that's the role of your advisor.
Okay. Okay, got it.
So,
okay.
Kailangan ma-outlive kita.
So, yung mga advisor po, ang goal nila is, ang goal is mauna ka.
Hindi naman.
Charot lang.
Pero yun, it's always about the service then.
Okay.
So, what the people get is yung fixed amount. So, magkano naman yung nakalagay na amount. Pero in-check yun.
Okay.
So, ang sarap ng feeling lang na pag-advisor ka, pumunta ka sa lamay, ang dala mo,
check eh.
Di ba yung iba would offer condolences, ganyan. Pero ikaw, bulaklak. Ikaw ang dala mo, milyon. Ganun ka.
Ay, wow. Diba? Anyway, well, hindi naman mabibigyan talaga ng amount yung buhay. Pero it's very, very...
At least it parang somehow nag-agree sila.
Eases the pain.
It eases the pain.
Correct. Got it.
Ganun.
Okay. Ako, so personal experience, ako po kumuha ako ng insurance noong 2013 kasi nga breadwinner ako. And second is, kumuha rin ako ng funeral insurance. Lahat ng insurance. So, from kabuhayan to kamatayan package, very important siya.
Sobrang dami.
As Miss Oski shared kanina, talagang preparing is actually key because lahat naman tayo doon papunta. Una-una lang yan. Wag muna kami.
Bata pa kami.
Wag muna kami.
Pero yun, the good thing about this is meron din pang retirement.
Correct.
Meron pang education ng mga bata.
Sure.
May pang life milestones. So, sobrang daming purpose na pwede mong ikabet sa policy na yun.
Got it. So, again, guys, depende po talaga siya sa goal natin. So, I guess, yung stigma na we want to, or yung myth na we want to bust tonight or today is actually na yung insurance only for death situation, actually for anything siya based on your goal. So check it out. Check out din sa mga different insurance providers.
Correct. It's also very important that you talk to a financial advisor just so we can assess kung ano yung perfect for you.
Got it. So talk to Oski, guys. So kung may questions kayo about anything insurance, at Oski
just
King.
click on the link below.
Vlogger! Anyway, so yung next part po naman natin is about being an insurance advisor. Kami po ni Oski, nag-meet kami sa UP before. Actually, anong tawag nga dyan? Parang mentor? Ang tawag sa org? Nag-apply ako ng org?
Body.
Parang body gano'n. Body system, ganyan. Pero hindi pa ako nagtuloy.
Based po yun sa kaganda.
Based sa ganda. I-assign ka ng mas maganda sa'yo. And hence. Anyway, so, Oski, after graduation, parang, how did you actually find this insurance advisor career? Bakit ito? Diba?
Actually, parang blessing in disguise siya. Kasi, after graduation, I joined an IT company. And then, I started as a part-time financial advisor.
what triggered you na parang, kailangan kong something else?
Gusto ko lang noon, 3 bagay.
Ay, 3 things.
3 things.
Kylie Versosa.
Miss International.
Miss International. Okay,
3 things. Number 1, gusto ko talaga matuto. First hand.
Okay.
Kung ano yung mga insurances, investments. Para at least pinaghirapan ko, alam ko kung saan ko siya ilalagay.
More of your money, your
My personal money. Kasi
Okay.
parang parents ko hindi ganun ka well-versed about investments. So,
Okay.
gusto ko maging, ako yung generation na marunong. Ganon.
Okay.
Number
Pioneer.
2, correct. Number 2, gusto ko talaga magturo. Passion
okay.
ko magturo ng mga ganong konsepto para mas maka-add ng value sa ibang tao.
About life. How to
Yes.
navigate through life.
Yes,
Okay.
ganyan. Parang pangarap ko kasi maging mentor, ganyan.
Ay,
Life coach,
Life
ganon.
coach. Hello.
Ayan.
Hello po sa mga kailangan ng life coach
Ayan.
dyan.
Tapos, number 3, at that time, kailangan ko ng extra income. Kasi
Okay.
nagkaparal ako ng kapatid ko, breadwinner din ako ng family.
Mabuhay ang mga
Ayan.
breadwinner.
Yes.
So,
Yun. So, yun yung tatlong...
Would you say-
3 things.
3 things, Miss International. 3 things na yun, would you say nakuha mo siya lahat?
Yes. Ang pinakamasaya sa maging advisor is that more than the income, it's the time freedom that you get.
Okay.
Diba? You get to work and play at the same time.
Get to work and play!
Tapos,
Anong ibig sabihin ng play, Makarot?
Ito, may example, diba?
Ay, nako! Player. Okay.
Pero yung nakapag-travel ka,
Okay.
diba? At the same time, napufulfill mo yung mga dreams mo din.
Okay.
At the same time, you realize parang nakakapag-create ka ng positive impact sa buhay ng ibang tao na mas ramdam mo.
Miss International.
Okay, yun, diba?
Pero of course,
ito may experience na kasi ako ng claim.
Okay, claim.
So, iba yung pakiramdam na after sales, di ba? Na hindi mo naman expect syempre mga clients mo na may mangyayari. Pero at least, if something happens to them, nandyan ka para maging kaakbay nila for life. It's lifetime partnership that we offer to our clients.
Wait lang, let's offer a minute of silence. Charot.
Pero yun.
Grabe, sobrang talaga ha, sobrang insightful. So, when did you decide naman to go full-time? Kasi when you're doing it part-time, di ba parang, sana yung 100%, this is it, I'm gonna go for it.
Siguro yung kapag na-realize mo na para doon ka, tapos at the same time, yung
Calling, ba ganon?
Tapos
Okay.
yung income mo, ganun na din. Or hindi na siya nagmamatter, mas nagmamatter na yung happiness, may fulfillment that you get from the work that you do. So, doon ko na na-realize na...
So, in reality, Oski, yung income that you're getting from insurance is actually at par now with
Yes, dumating ako sa ganun.
your corporate
na-match na
salary.
niya. At thinking na part-time ko lang siya ginagawa. So, sabi ko, what more kapag full-time ko siyang ginawa? And that was the best decision na ginawa ko.
Ever in your life?
Ever in my life? Okay. Pero yun.
Question ko lang din, ano yung mga frustration of an advisor? Kasi like, ako, ang dami din mga insurance advisor na nagchat-chat. For sure, hindi naman lahat talaga positive yung response. Ano to?
So, it's
Para lang prepared sila, no?
Hindi po super saya lang ng buhay ng financial advisor. Hindi puro lang, travel lang, ganyan. Hindi po. Sobrang daming rejections.
I was afraid this time would come.
I wasn't prepared. Ganun, babe. Alam mo yung nag-message ka lang, sinizone ka lang.
Wait, ano ba kasi sinabi mo? Anyway, so, maraming mga ganyan.
Very
Even
common
sa circle
yan.
of friends mo, no?
Yes.
For sure.
Sa circle of friends mo, magkaibigan kayo dati. Ngayon parang di na kayo magkaibigan. Iniiwasan ka na.
Nung simula akong mag-shot, para alam lang magbebenta ka ng
Oo,
insurance.
pero nabibenta mo na kagad sila lahat.
Guys, wag tayong ganun. Ako din marami nag-message sa akin. Ako talagang hi lang.
Lang.
There's something in there.
Common courtesy lang, di ba?
Oo,
Tsaka lang, parang mag-respond ka lang.
Wag tayong
We will appreciate.
Wag tayong mag-auto-dismiss kasi they're offering something. Hindi naman para kikilan ka lang.
And it's something that adds value
Correct.
Para bago mo siya siguro i-decline or i-reject, at least hear from that person whatever that person has to offer. Baka makatulong.
Yes. And I guess, since ako nga, what I would say, since friend mo siya, mas kilala niya ano yung needs mo. So, hindi siya parang out of the blue nagpunta lang sa'yo. So, parang, uy, girl, gusto mo, ito yung premium, ito yung proposal. Di ba? Hindi naman ganon, right?
Ibig sabihin, mahalaga ka sa taong yun, kaya kanya nilapitan.
Kaya ikaw yung una niyan.
Yes.
So, guys, huwag tayo mag-scene zone. Masama yung ghosting. Ang dami harap.
Ganyan. Hindi lang sa insurance.
Correct.
Yung nandiyan, tapos bigla na lang mawawala.
Huy, ibang topic yan! Ibang topic yan! Okay. Yung next natin is, ano ba yung mga perks and perks of being an insurance advisor? Ano yung sense of fulfillment? Kasi syempre, it's a long-term partnership, right? So, what is it really for you?
It's like you being an extended family member ng clients mo. Alam mo yun, parang dati sa binyag ka lang naimbitahan. Tapos hanggang sa ano na yan? Kasal, birthday,
totoo, nangyayari?
debut, hanggang lamay. Lifetime talaga.
Uy, grabe naman
yung
nila.
Pero yun, totoo siya ha.
Okay.
Ano siya, sobrang yun. Parang yun yung kakabay ka ng mga friends and clients mo. It's lifetime partnership that we offer.
Ay, taray.
Diba?
And I guess, if anyone's interested, Oski here, is how do you start becoming one?
So you just have to talk to a financial advisor then para
like
mag-guide ka niya or so yung mga managers like me. And then
manager! Taray naman!
So I'm building my team. Pero yun, parang you just have to go to them para mag-guide ka niya sa process. Pero basically, it will require you to take the exam, licensure exam. So may licensure exams siya, may mga requirements.
Grabe, kailangan pa mag-board exam review? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Kaya.
Kaya naman siya.
Okay,
kaya naman siya. Sobrang kaya siya. Tapos, yun. After ng mga exams, you have to attend the trainings. Para syempre, maging magaling ka din na advisor. Hindi ka naman puro benta-benta lang eh. Kailangan maintindihan mo yung produkto para at least you can get to explain the products very well sa mga clients.
So it's really, parang the insurance companies, in your case, Sun Life naman, equips you with the right knowledge and how to actually offer the right proposal for the client. It's not how to sell, but more of how to propose the right.
It's like a need-based assessment and needs-based selling.
Ang taray. Siya tayo. Charot lang. Anyway, nako, very helpful talaga, Mama Oski, for this weekend, no? Again, I think two things that I learned from this session. One is, insurance is not just about death. It's actually for anything. Living, non-living, monetary, non-monetary, investment, etc. So, ang dami pong factors. So, I recommend everyone to consider, even ako din mag-reconsider of my plans I have right now. And second is, insurance advisor or advisory as a career has ups and downs, but mostly, it really is a calling also. And at the same time, talagang kaakbay ka ng mga tao. So, it's worth actually taking the risk. Like how she did it. O, diba? Parang bongga naman dyan, Mama Oski.
Thank you.
Go patch. Anyway, any parting words? Parang, if you would summarize, for example, insurance in one sentence, what is it for you? Wow! 3 things.
So if you really love your family, you have to get insured. Kasi you don't want to be a burden to them.
Okay.
But rather, you want to be a blessing to your family.
And it's also not just for them, but also for you.
For you, yes.
Correct.
Actually, getting an insurance is a form of self-love. Diba?
Love is all that matters. Ang dami mga quotable quotes po na ating episode this week. But of course, sana natuto kayo about personal finances. Sa mga nagsastart pala na magtrabaho dyan, don't forget to consider this as part of your investment portfolio. Thank you so much again, Oski, for guesting.
Thank you so much, Palabandera.
Palabandera! Yes! See you ulit next weekend. And mama, don't forget to subscribe if you actually like this episode. Thank you again, Oski.
Thank you.
Bye.